Yo, what's good everybody, Joe's Cage Reaper here. So, my Emulet MS-18 came in today, and I was not expecting this big of a fucking box. Like, holy shit. Makes me wonder what's all in here. So, for this special occasion, I'm going to use my custom Benchmade Bug Out. And, yeah, let's go ahead and get into this, shall we? So go ahead and cut the tape. Make sure not to cut the inner box. Don't want to mess anything up. Alright, maybe cut it for myself, okay? Yeah, that didn't work. There we go. Yeah. There we go. Oh god. This is nerve-wracking. Okay. And it comes, oh my god. Alright, so I'm gonna have to show you guys this. Look how they package this. This screams quality. But for the price, they better wrap this thing like it's a fucking baby. Like they're transporting a baby, right? Alright, let's go ahead and see if there's a way I can. Does this have what I think it has? No. I'm gonna have to do it this way. It's a fucking thick. Alright. Oh, it's got a carrying case. Okay. I'm not even ready. I don't think I might not have to use like yep. Nope, it's stuck to that foam. But holy shit, this is a surreal experience. Ooh. I didn't expect it to do that. Alright. Yes. More packaging. Look at this. This screams care. This screams high quality. I don't think I've ever bought a flashlight that, well, no, I've bought several flashlights that had like little cases, but nothing to this extent. I don't even know what the box looks like. I might end up having to get fucking photos of this box. What a... It is a custom, well, I say custom, but a specialized, look at that, look at the detail, oh my god, this is amazing. I am, quality, 2 years warranty promise. Alright, we got a QR code her, alright, so we can go ahead and open her up. I should probably do it to where you guys can see it as well. That would probably be a lot better. Okay, so. Oh my god. Look at this fucking thing. It's bigger than what I thought it was gonna be. Holy shit. It is so fucking big that you need. Look at this. Holy shit. You know, it's fucking bad when it literally says hot. And I think they have little fans in here. Go ahead and peel big boy off. Hang on, let me go ahead and tack that back down so you guys can hear that. Alright, y'all ready? Crisp. Golly. That's how you charge it. Okay, that's nice. Go ahead and screw this back on. I think this is also how you attach one side of the strap, because you're going to need it. You are definitely going to need it, and then you have the other piece right here. Alright. I'm gonna have to read the fucking instructions, but I do need to get the charger out of her. Okay. And it looks like, okay, so we do have some shit. I didn't think this through. Let's see. Go ahead. Let me set this right here. It looks like, look on the inside of this. Let me see. What are these for? Is there a user manual and tell me how to set everything up? Okay, so I gotta take the big head off of here. That sounded wrong on so many fucking levels. Okay. Alright. I need to see if there is instructions. Oh shit, I don't want that. Okay, so it is a detailed instruction manual, okay? Is there any guides for setting it up? Oh, you know, actually I just got to think about something, right? So, I'm gonna test this theory here in a second. I just gotta fold this fucking thing back up. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna set this right here. So, I got to thinking, these might be spare O-rings for the screw part here. I'm curious to see if this is just one big ass fucking battery itself. But that's why I wasn't turning on, because you have to. Here, I'm gonna turn it like this, alright? Yeah, that's what that is. That is just one big ass fucking battery. Alright, but there's this little doodad here, alright? So, I'm gonna do a quick blip and turn it on. See, does it have an O-ring on it right now? Yes, it does. Okay. See, I knew how big this light was. But I don't think my grandmother did. Because this, make sure it's nice and snug, alright? Damn! Okay. Bad idea. Holy shit. What time is it? It's 1:58 a.m. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and, that's bad. No, this is good. But you know this light takes a big ass battery when the fucking charger is 38 watts at 19 volts. That's its output. Let's see. 19 volts, 2 amps, 38 watts. Fucking Christ. Alright. So, because I have a lot of flashlights, like obviously I have my little doodads here, alright. And I have a lot of chargers, so I'm gonna have to route some wires and shit so I can do a little charging bay type thing. Now, one thing I do wish they would have done, and this is just being nitpicky, alright? This is just being nitpicky. I wish they would have put an O-ring on this. Emily, doubt you're ever gonna watch this, but if you happen to come across this video, if you ever make a version 2 of this and you still use this design, put an O-ring inside here. Because you don't want water to get down in that barrel jack. It would just cause issues as if it was to get on top. But I guess they're more so worried about the water getting inside of here. But even then, you have all these ventilation right here, so water could still get in. So it's not really water resistant, so you wouldn't really want to use that out in the rain. Well, unless you're a fucking madman and you're, well, rich. But look at this shit. you know this is a bad motherfucker, and it's heavy at... I'm gonna have to get my fucking scale later, but you know it's bad when they include a fucking strap. A strap. Not a strap on, a strap. Go ahead. And I like the fact that they went with these little clip looking things, alright? So we just go ahead and put one on like this. And like this, alright? And what I like about it is you can pretty much clip this at any point that you want. For the simple fact that it has all these little like areas, so just go ahead and try and, okay, maybe I wonder if it'll work better this way? No, maybe not. Let me see. Alright. Remember, let's see. We'll go ahead and put it on like this, alright? Let's see. I'm trying to figure this out, guys, so bear with me. Wonder if... Come on. Wonder... Am I... Yep. Nope. We're gonna go ahead and read the instructions, because I'm sure they're gonna tell you how to do it. That's another thing. You should really switch the booklet. Just my opinion. Just my opinion. Okay. Right. Here, I'm gonna set this down so I don't drop it. No, it doesn't look like they tell you how to put it on, but we'll figure it out. We always do. Okay, yeah, alright, there we go. So I'm guessing, let's see if I can get it on while it's off. Let's see. So yeah, you're gonna have to be within this little region right here. So I think what I'm gonna have to do. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So now what I can do is hopefully I got this on right. Try not to cross thread shit. Okay. What I'm gonna do. Since I know how to put this on now, let's see if I can't do it. It's hard doing all this at once. Alright. Struggling. Alright. So now that I've figured that out, I'm gonna go ahead and I don't know what's going on. Hang on. Yeah. No, they're still good. Oh, it's one of those little light assholes that you have to, you just have to turn it just right. Alright. Now, let's see. So, yeah, I had it going in like this. Alright. Yeah, I might have to try and do it with my right hand. There we go. Alright. Look at that. Damn, and I didn't even have to fiddle with it trying to get it straight. But, yeah. Now, here's something I want to see. I'm going to go ahead and move this box real quick. This is unreal. It's literally unreal. So now, here's what I want to do. Yeah, like that. So you don't even have to, you don't have to undo it. You don't have to take this off. You just come up like this. And voila. Yeah, that's a fiddly cap. And, see. Oh my god, okay, so I was a little bit slow there for a second, but yeah, look at that. That is, I gotta see exactly how fucking bright this big bastard is. Okay, so that's, what is that, 700 lumens? 2000 lumens, and then that is bright. Yeah, I need to see what if I need to charge this battery. I probably should. You see if there is. Yeah, okay. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and charge it and take it outside. Probably go, that's a tricky one. I could do the front shining towards like the graveyard area and see how that works. I was saying I could go out in the backyard, but I can't do that because there's houses across the field on the other side. There's a subdivision there. And I don't think they would appreciate it. We're going to turn this off, okay? Go ahead and see what the charge percentage is, okay? Alright, go ahead and scoot this back just a little bit. I'm going to grab the box again because I left the charger in it. Yep, here it is. Okay. Alright. And I'll have some size comparisons in a little bit for you guys. Let's see. Go ahead and figure out how the fuck they got this thing twisted. There we go. Go ahead and set this over there because I like keeping them. Let's see, do I have... Where's my extension cord? Let's see. Alright. Okay. Let me just go ahead and plug. Yeah. Yep. Okay, so it does have the indicator LED to tell you when it is charging. And we'll let it charge. I'll see you guys later. Peace.